Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll show you how to enable or disable restricted mode on TikTok in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your smartphone. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Then, tap on Restricted Mode. Here, you can enable or disable restricted mode. If you turn it off, you'll be able to access all content on TikTok without restrictions. When restricted mode is enabled, TikTok will filter out content that may not be suitable for all audiences. Once you've made your selection, follow any prompts to set up or confirm changes. You will also be asked to enter your passcode, or if you don't have one, you'll need to set one up here. And that's it! You successfully enabled or disabled restricted mode on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.